Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix your DNS server might be unavailable on your Windows device on your laptop or computer. Okay, so before we go into this, this is a network issue just to let you know guys. So to be able to fix this, you just have to right click on your network icon here at the lower right side, open network and settings. So after going there, you just have to select change adapter options. And over here, you have to select what is your network here. So mine is here, the Ethernet network 2, so you have to know it. After going over that, try disabling and enabling this network. Okay, so try that. As you can see, it's now back. It's just refreshing. After going over that, right click on that and properties. And let's select the IPv4 here. Go over to properties here and make sure to use the following IP address. Make sure to go ahead and select that here, the DNS server I mean here. Make sure the selected one is use the following DNS server address. So you have to input on the first one 8.8.8.8, so 4 eights. So on the next one is 8.8.4.4. Okay, so after going over that, you just have to select this one, put a check mark on that and hit OK, and that will save your settings. After going over that, you just have to go ahead and right click on the networks icon again, troubleshoot problems. You just have to select all network adapters, wait for it to collect your problem. So you just have to configure this, so let's try that again. So you just have to enter the path of what you are having the problem in and press next here and you should be good to go. After that, you just have to reboot your device, restart, and that would fix the issue. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.